kickstand sensor. Way too fast. Alright guys, I've been grinding pretty long with the Stark, maybe like 2 months with it, but I have not been grinding with the Grom. But today I changed all that, put in some little bit of work, blew not even like a quarter tank of gas. This thing just doesn't run out of gas. Learned a couple tricks. I'm gonna show y'all what's good. And I got a handbrake going, and I'll show you guys what's good. I don't know, it's been a pretty solid day. Starkey. So it's not just me having these problems with second gear. Over the winter I installed a handbrake. This is probably my first time really getting on it because the chain was so crusty, couldn't really do anything. But I'm starting to get the hang of this thing now. With the pegs on the back, because these are all first gear wheelies. I suck at second gear. I don't know what's good. Yo, not bad, not bad. This is like my first day really using the handbrake, and like we're doing pretty solid, guys. I'm no wheelie expert or anything. I just like to have fun. And if you guys are watching this, I hope you guys are having fun too, because it's a beautiful Sunday. It's a little hot outside, but we're out here learning new stuff. All you guys really need is a little bit of seat time and like an empty lot. Make sure you bring some gear. I just got a helmet on. But yeah, usually like if you have more people here, if you go down, like they can help you out. But if you're by yourself, be careful, don't push yourself too hard, because you could end up getting done up, you know what I'm saying? So see if I still got the knee knocker. Not enough, not enough, not enough. One more time, one more time. I don't even know if this is day one or maybe, I don't know. I got this Grom last year, didn't really ride it too much because, you know, you see these things, they look small, it looks like anyone could wheelie them, but like, yo, they are humbling, guys. Foot brake, baby, foot brake. Oh! I can't ride because I'm not using the foot brake. I'm like, I can use the foot brake, I can use the handbrake. It's just using a handbrake on like a gas bike is way different than like an electric bike like the Stark or a Suron or even like those little Razors and stuff. But it's definitely different. But yo, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Everything, this, that, and the third. I appreciate everything, guys, for real. Alright, yo, peace.